Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex financial concepts into simple, actionable insights. Today, we are uncovering the numerous benefits of investing in mutual funds and how they can help you achieve your financial goals. One of the key advantages of mutual funds is diversification. It's the strategy of spreading investments across various asset classes, like stocks, bonds, and other securities, which helps reduce overall risk. By investing in a mutual fund, you gain exposure to a wide range of investments without the need to manage each one individually. Another significant benefit is professional management. Skilled and experienced professionals handle the fund's portfolio, analyzing market trends and making informed investment decisions on behalf of shareholders. This professional management not only saves you time and effort but also provides access to market expertise while you participate in the investment. Moreover, mutual funds offer liquidity. Unlike some other investments, they can be bought or sold on any business day at the current net asset value, NAV, giving you easy access to your funds when needed. To sum it up, mutual funds are an excellent choice for investors seeking diversified, professionally managed investments with high liquidity. Thank you for watching. Mutual funds offer a plethora of advantages for investors aiming to grow their wealth. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial insights. Investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully. This video is only for educational purposes. Please consult your financial advisor before making any decision.